Hey everyone, this is a new version of the Biodome. We're at Earlsfield Primary School in Wandsworth. Just show you around. They've got a beautiful playground, nice fish ponds here. Great place, really stunning. And now this is their new addition. So the new Biodome really sets the place off. As you can see, it's a good scale. Those are all the grow trays going around. This is all the new material with the new joints. You can see no water's going to get in there. That's the water tank for the filling. Fans, all the control systems. New double glazed doors. And you've got aluminium, aircraft grade I believe, on the sides. Fantastic bit of kit for the schools, along with solar panels.